So carbon, when we find it on the periodic table, it has an atomic number of 6, and this is the same as the number of electrons in a neutral atom of carbon. So when we draw the structure of carbon, we put 2 electrons on the first shell, since that's the maximum number it can hold, and 4 on the second shell. But please note that on the second shell, for it to be stable, it needs to have 8 electrons. And this leads us to the question of how carbon will achieve stability. So one of the ways in which it does this is by sharing electrons with other atoms. Most notably here you can see it doing that with hydrogen. Hydrogen has 1 electron. So if carbon shares electrons with 4 hydrogens, it then has 8 electrons on its outside shell. Whenever 2 electrons are shared, we represent this as one single line or a single covalent bond. So here you have carbon bonding with 4 hydrogens and forming 4 covalent bonds, and in each covalent bond, 2 electrons are shared. So in this way, carbon can form a variety of stable compounds. Here, another example, carbon is bonding with oxygen in the form of CO2 or carbon dioxide. And here you have 4 covalent bonds existing as 2 double bonds. And again, this means that carbon has 8 electrons on its outside shell, 4 shared electrons with one oxygen and 4 with the other oxygen, once again making a stable compound.